Come test drive the 2017 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.